Hello, I'm Dustin, the product manager from AskHandle. Today, I'll be guiding you through our AskHandle product, showing you how to streamline your customer support tasks using artificial intelligence. Let's start by logging into the AskHandle dashboard. Upon entering, you'll immediately see your chat histories, allowing you to monitor all past interactions. Next, we move on to the Command Center, which is essentially the backbone of AskHandle. Simply click on Add Data Source and choose the files you need. It's important to note, you can upload an unlimited number of documents at this stage. But that's not all. You can also type in your own text, or you can add a URL. The AI can directly learn from the information on your web pages. Just click on Save Data Source after you're done and give it a moment. All your documents get uploaded pretty quickly. Now, just hang tight for a few seconds and let the AI do its thing. You might want to refresh the web page after a bit. Once you see that all the data has been processed, your AI is ready to hit the ground running. Let's head over to the test page and click on the test link. This spot is where you can initiate a new chat and see how your AI performs. AskHandle allows you to show a pre-chat form, where you can ask for the user's name, email, or phone number. Let's test it out with, is AskHandle powered by artificial intelligence? Watch how quickly your AI delivers a spot-on response. Once you've got your account set up, you can test it out with your own questions. That's a wrap on our AskHandle demo. If you're interested in exploring it yourself, simply head over to askhandle.com and sign up for a free account. We can't wait to see your creations. See you around.